Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine and happy. Welcome back to Royal Hill Studio. You are going to destination for the latest in women's footwear trends. In today's video, we shall dive deep into the most stylish and must have shoes of 2026, from elegant slides to high heels to chic, original and comfortable yet trendy sandals. We have got everything covered, so sit back, relax, and get ready to upgrade your shoe game. The timeless appeal of stilettos has always been an assemblage of elegance, confidence, and sophistication. Trading dies in 2026 crystal embellished. Stilettos, stem like heel celebrities, transparent and PVC heels lace up stilettos celebrity. Influence how celebrities and influencer styling stilettos heels this year. Best occasion to wear sizzlers, from red carpets to date. These sizzlers remain must have for every woman. Tips for comfort and care. Choosing the right one. Heel height cushioning techniques and how to maintain your style and stilettos. What are moles? A brief history of moles and their growing popularity. 2026 mole trends: tank heel moles. Embellished and bedecked designs with velvet and suede textures, open to waist and close to moles. Best outfits to with moles: casual, formal, and office wear style. Tip top brands. Leading the mall trend: Gucci, Prada, Strava, Madan, and more. Why every woman needs a pair of six sandals. 2026 sandal trends: gladiator. Sandal making a comeback: mini leather sandals and platform adorned sandals. Sandals for extra height: best sandals for different seasons, spring, summer, and fall fashion must haves. The best shoes for different office and work shoes are elegant and comfortable enough for long working hours. Casual everyday footwear slip-ons, slip-on loafers, and trendy sneakers. Party and event wear clothing, streetwear, and these heels vacations and travel picks. Comfortable yet style sandal and moles: choosing the right shoes for your foot shape. Materials that look luxurious and feel comfortable. Where to shop online versus in-store shopping. Tips on how to sport fake designer shoes: classic, natural, pink, nude, and white, bold and vibrant colors. Red, electric blue, and neon gray, metallic, inches, gold, silver, and holographic designs that work on today. The ultimate Met guide to 2026: how styles became a fashion icon. From Hollywood stars to runway models to model stilettos have defined elegance for decades. Latest trends in 2026: ultra thin pencil heels for a sharp, sleek look. Sculpted and geometric heel giving a futuristic look to less apparatus that add a touch of drums in transparent and glass inspired sets of for a minimal jet skirting appearance. The fellows of luxury brands how top desires like Jamie shoes. Christian Laboratories and Mana Aloe Blanc are redefining Seto this year. Best suits for different occasions like date nights and romantic dinners, corporate events and formal wear, red carpet and high-end parties. To walk in Caritos, comfortable tips for balance, posture, and reducing foot pain. The rise of moles, perfect blend of comfort and elegance. Why moles are dominating 2026 fashion seas are shifting towards effortless slump on engagement types of moles trending. These slumps